Hey, it's Matt with 911R and Brain Trailer, and we have the 67 Land Cruiser FJ that's ending today. So I just want to do like a walk around, kind of talk about it so people can know. First, why don't you come in here, Alex? The paint on this thing is literally probably show quality. It's super flat, super shiny. It just looks amazing. There's nothing that it was done shortcut on anything on the body and paint on this. The panels are very straight. You can see all the correct seams and joints. It's got rock sliders on it. All the hardware is fresh and new and perfect. Doors open and close very nicely. Again, the seams on it. So they took two FJs here and basically extended it and made it the extra cab version of it. I guess there's only like a dozen of these have been built, I've been told. The quality on it was done by an FJ specialist, and they really knew what they're doing. If you just look at everything inside, you can see how well it's put together. The welds on the internal roll structure, that's all throughout it. This thing is super safe. I mean, it could really, take a beating if something ever happened. The fiberglass top on it is in great shape. Again, it was stretched and done. You can't see where it was done. All the windows, glass, moldings, rubber, and everything is new and fresh. The body side moldings, again, the seams, the details to do all that. That takes lots and lots of work to get that done right. I bet this restoration build probably cost well over $200,000. Coming to the back, you can see the tailgate fold down here. One more here. The top is new as well. This whole assembly comes off really quickly. There's like 8 small bolts, lift the whole assembly off so you can have the pickup bed exposed. You got folding seats here, jump seats with seat belts. All the inside has been all Rhino lined and Linexed, so that looks super good. Let's go back to the way since we have a car coming. BFGs, the 8-lug 8-hole aluminum wheels, just lots of great details on it. On the inside, you got Corbeau sport seats, automatic shifter, your transfer case stick, custom steering column, ice cold AC. This thing blows very, very cold, so you're not having problems with the warm days. Big worn winch on the front, proper style on it, power steering. Underneath the hood, we have the small block Chevy with fuel injection. The AC, just everything is really done upright. You got air lockers on it, front and rear. This thing's very capable and very easy to drive. This could be a daily driver. It drives so nice. It's not like a rough riding, beat you up FJ. Pretty impressive. So any questions, let us know. If you need a shipping quote, let us know. But this is a really special truck and deserves to go to a cool home. So let me know, and happy to help out. Thank you.